This is a hive we're looking at. You can see the entrance of the bees right here going into the stucco, which is against the wall here of the garage. Right there you see the stucco that's pulled away, where I started pulling away at it, and it is about 2.5 feet high, and it's off to the right there. You can see the styrofoam that this was in construction. Here we see we're looking at honeycomb, the yellow parts, the darker parts, the brood comb, also known as the baby bees. And that brood comb has little white flecks on it that you can see off to the right here as it scrolls out. You can see the babies in there, the bees crawling around taking care of those. And again, this is a wall that is a stucco wall. It's right next to just on the other side is the garage. And this wall to the right here is a 90-degree wall that comes out, sticks out. The bees actually didn't get into the wall, which is great, but they stayed obviously in this wall. Kind of went through, so I did have to. For more amazing teaching on how to become a beekeeper, check out www.getfreehoney.com. Again, that's www.getfreehoney.com.